In this chapter, we will be focusing on factoring polynomial equations. Let's first consider the word factor. Pause the video to find a definition of a factor. Things you might want to look for are: what is a factor? What is a polynomial factor? What do polynomial factors represent on the coordinate plane? Go ahead and pause the video now. Welcome back. Let's next consider why a dozen is 12 and not 10. Let's take a look at the number 12. What are some factors of 12? Well, we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Therefore, there are 6 factors of the number 12. If we just look at 10, we only have 10 and 1 and 5 and 2. The idea was there's more ways to break up 12 between different numbers of people than there are 10. Well, let's look at a baker's dozen. A baker's dozen considers the number 13. 13 only can be factored by 1 in itself, therefore making 13 a prime number. What is a prime number? If you need a refresher, pause the video and go to find a definition of the word prime. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and practice factoring. We're going to consider a large number such as 7,956. We are going to factor this one of two ways. The first is to find its prime factorization. This means we're going to break it down into all the possible prime numbers. If it's even, seeing as it ends in a 6, I like to start by dividing the number by 2. So 7,956 divided by 2 is 3,978. This number still can be divided by 2. And when we do that, we get 1,989. Now this ends in a 9, so what I tried was to divide it by the number 3. This works, and we get 663 remaining. This number 2 can be divided by 3, and we have 221 remaining. 221 is actually the product of 13 and 17, which are both prime numbers. So our prime factorization of the number 7,956 is 2, 2, 3, 3, 13, and 17. If we were to multiply these numbers together, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 13 times 17, we should get 7,956. The second way that we can factor this number, 7,956, is to just find all of the available factors. Let's consider that number once again, 7,956. Well, we know that 1 and 7,956 are factors. We also know that this is divisible by 2. 2 and happens to be 3,978. This number is also divisible by 3, 4, 5, let's scratch that, it's actually only divisible by 6, 1, 3, 2, 6, 9, 8, 8, 4, 12, 13, 17, 18, 26, 34, 36, 39, 51, 52, 68, and 78. We know you're done listing factors when you found all consecutive factors and there are no more factors remaining in between your final two. So all of these numbers are all factors of 7,956. Go ahead and practice factoring on the worksheet given. When you feel confident and ready, go ahead and try the quiz on Objective 1. Good luck.